I disappeared. So, lightly. Who cares? Who cares? So, it will be a type of achievement. दुनिया भर के शोर आज. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm posting after a while and ये भी मैं पोस्ट कर दूँ तो अच्छी बात है because I have shot this video so many times लेकिन ड्राफ्ट में पड़ी है सारी. So if I post this, so this is gonna be a new first video type of. So I have to talk about so many things that happened with me in this year and so many other things. But before doing that, I just want to introduce myself. I am Chanchal, a teenager figuring out adulting. Actually, not figuring out. I am just passed my 12th class and I am a JEE aspirant, a dropper. See, since if you have seen my previous videos, they were about studies, no face cam, no voiceovers, and suddenly me with the setup. तो हो गया introduction. Now, why I disappeared and why am I with a face cam and voiceover video now? ये भी एक बड़ा सवाल है क्योंकि since I wanted to start this channel from very early, but in 8th class I decided, or like before 8th, I decided to open a YouTube channel, but like due to some situations and also 8वीं क्लास के बच्चे की कौन ही सुनता है, so you know that was only and no one was in it, so they just took as a joke or something, और मुझे भी लगा कि मेरा ये just ऐसा ही है, so I didn't start that. Even I have posted a bit of videos but I just paused that. Okay, now after that 8th, 9th and 10th they were gone in studies, friends and everything. I used to be on camera but not to post it. Okay, then in 11th, 12th I went somewhere else where I also felt like अब मुझे नहीं ही करना है शायद YouTube. Although I had the feeling कि मैं करना चाहती हूँ but I thought कि अब मैं नहीं करूँगी कभी YouTube. 12th passed. Now when I was in drop year, I was studying for JEE and still studying for JEE. I thought that this is the right time. This is the right time where I should post everything because the thoughts in my mind goes insane, just insane. I think every time that काश मैं ये पोस्ट कर पाती, काश मैं ये पोस्ट कर रही होती. It should be shot, it should be captured, it should be posted, and finally at June or May something I decided to post whatever on my channel. And since I was studying I didn't have any of the ideas, so I started posting about my studies which I was doing. But the real thing which I want to show you since my 8th class is that about my life unfiltered. So I'll be posting that now and you will get to know if you subscribe to my channel. You will get to know what I'm going to post on this channel. So yeah, that is going to be all. Also, I was waiting for the right time to come and that right time never came in my life till now. But if I post this video on YouTube, this is the right time, I guess. I disappeared because I took some time to get my niche actually. That is what I want to post why I want to post. Am I enjoying posting all this study stuff? And the answer is that I am enjoying all this, but the thing is that not only study stuff. And अगर मैंने अभी से ये पोस्ट करना चालू कर दिया तो my channel is going to be a study channel only, which I never want, never ever want. So yeah, that's why I posted a face cam video. Still I'm not feeling confident, but who cares. So yeah, that is all. I thought about what I have to post. I thought 10 video ideas about my channel. I thought the script which is not working here, and I thought of so many things. I took time for myself. I maintained my study as well. This was the basic reason. Basically, I was waiting for the right time. I was waiting for the right situation. I was waiting for the equipment. I was waiting for the camera, and they are not still with me. I'm shooting this with my Android only. So light gayi. For so many things I was waiting for, and I wanted to post videos like this on my channel since very early, very early. But this could not happen. I want to tell you what this channel is for. Like from studies to get ready with me to vlogs to self improvement to self challenges to like everything I experience, everything I try, and everything. I just want to show you what my life is. So yeah, that's the platform where I wanted to be since years and years. It will be a type of achievement if I post it on YouTube, because I was very nervous about everything, like about the camera, about my voice, about like my script, which has not been prepared. I'm saying what is coming out of my mind. I promise I will try. Just try to post consistently this time. So that was pretty for this video. Let's go with the flow, mellows. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because so many upcoming things are going to come and this on this channel this time. From now, I will be posting regularly. I will try to post regularly on this channel. And this was a short introduction about myself. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.